every match, of course, hinahanap namin the prettiest face in the crowd to be our Shakey's face of the game. And for this game, she is Charlene Lucero. She's 18 years old from napakalapit lang naman, San Pedro, Laguna.
Sansakay lang yan.
Sansakay, San Tumbling.
Oo.
Our Shakey's face of the game. Congratulations, Charlene Lucero, 18 years old from San Pedro, Laguna, and she gets that free gift certificate from our Shakey's representative. Congratulations, Charlene Lucero. Uy, Serafika nagtapo ng puntos. We're tied at 60.
In comes Honey Tubino. This is a crucial part of the second set.
Oo.
Chance right now for the Philippine Navy team to put more pressure on Cagayan, and let's see how well Cagayan reacts to the pressure na ilalagay sa kanila ng mga veterano from Philippine Navy.
Ito na, nag-init na naman ang service ni Sandra. That service ace gives them back the lead, 17-16.
Ang humusay talaga here sa Philippine Navy in the second set, yung kanilang atake. Pangalawa, yung floor defense nila mas maayos. Kung kaya tumaba yung mga palitan. And the longer the rallies went, doon sila nakakahanap ng breakdown sa kanilang kalaban. Too much power for that last serve.
Sandra's serve, well, she's known for that very, very powerful floater. Pero yung floater na ngayon, dumidiretso palabas.
Erratic.
Hindi yung bumababa. Tumutuloy sa paglipad palabas eh.
Ganda ng floater sana ni Prochina, no? He thought it was going to be a service ace. Finally, fielded in. Good dig. Pag maayos ang first ball mo, makaka-atake ka talaga. Walang question yan. Cases, kanina na bumipita doon sa bandang una, natahimik. Kailangan nila yung production niya dito sa bandang dulo ng second set.
Joy with a serve. Oy, service ace na naman. Napasigaw si Susan. Eileen Susan knew that she was, nakaantay na siya. Tagal niya nang inaabangan.
Epektos kasi yung bola eh.
Yung ng bola, pagtama sa kamay.
Kala mo, salo mo na eh.
Alright, and the Philippine Navy, they need to talk things over as Coach Nene calls his timeout. Let's listen in.
Bakit natin ang belos ng pera sa kami? Pabulin natin na lang. Pag nakalong tayo, tuloy-tuloy na. Huwag na natin siya pabulin. Ha? Angat na ang bola. Huwag na lang ikikip sa meta. Angat lang. Stop ang bola. Baby!
Right, the Navy, they know that they have a solid chance, Coach Ronnie, dito sa second set.
Best chance.
Dalawa lang yan.
Best chance.
Kayang-kayang habulin. Rosale is in the front line together with Carpio and Arasan. So this is a very strong front line. Let's see what they can do against the serve of Joy Cases. Uy, service ace, not a good result after a timeout.
Grabe kung saan niya dinala, no? Kung saan siya nag-serve, kung saan niya ipinukol, akala mo talagang hinulog mo. Napakahirap nun. Got everybody flat-footed, 3-point lead para sa Cagayan. Dati kung mag-serve to talagang na-out of control dahil puro lakas.
That's right.
Ngayon, ang ganda na nung basa talaga niya.
Another service ace.
You once again have to go back to the time that Capriana was sent into the game by Coach Sherwin. And suddenly, yung tipping point, pwede mong sabihin, ay naiba bigla yung mindset nung Cagayan. Tapos sinamahan pa nitong si Joy Cases. Lamang ng 4 kanina, 14-10. Ang Philippine Navy ngayon, sila yung nag-aabol ng 4 na puntos.
Mata goes in to replace Susan, who has been guilty of 2 serve reception errors. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Chualim hits it down the line. And Galido, a bit too slow to react. Not able to pick up that dig.
One of the key problems for young players is yung crisis response na tinatawag. When the game is in danger, how do they respond? And right now, the white shirts of Cagayan showing us that they have that ability to react well and turn things around when they need to.
Good reception this time from Mata. Cabriana, back set. Porpimol. Laborde. Not able to control it. Lumayo na itong Cagayan Rising Suns, and Coach Nene with her final timeout of the set.
sa spiker nyo. Umanda kayo sa score na yan, kanina pa yung sa discipline. Wala dito. Tapat-tapat sa spiker ha, dahil Jane. Sam, itaas kang bola ha. First touch na kailangan natin para dapat sabay-sabay. Tingin sa bola mo.
Right, they find themselves, the Philippine Navy find themselves down by 6 points. And they said, we can't score anything or do anything unless we get a good reception first. So
Something that they were able to do well. Doon sa bandang umpisa hanggang doon sa gitna. Itong second set. But let's see if they'll have that strong finishing kick. And finally able to defend itong service game nitong si Joy Casas na kanina pa nandun sa service line.
Joust at the net, won by Porn Pimol. Serafica with a good save. Arasan hits it wide. Well, she tried to avoid the block, but yun na nga, hindi naman sumalat sa block, it went straight out.
Yung sidewinder niya, hindi nakatawid sa tamang
Yes.
angulo. 7 set points once again. Very tight second set and suddenly, Joy Casas
Hindi na umalis sa service si Joy. mula
nanatili
nung
na dyan.
Oh.
Paborito ng ating cameraman. Dyan sa angulo na yan. Oops.
Rosale needed to backpedal before hitting that shot. Ayun na, tinapos ni Cubino with that cross-court hit. CVRS surviving that run from the Philippine Navy.
And this was the final play. Down by 4, winning by 8. And this will seal the second set for the Cagayan Rising
That's right,
Suns.
that's our shaky shake and play. Identical scores in the first
Exactly.
and the second. We'll be right back with the third after this break.